warmer when I cook up. George Foreman couldn't grill the nigga. Work the clock like a chef. Niggas would talk down. Wasn't ready when I pushed up. Stood steady with my chest up. 6'3" ain't checked. I just been pulling off strings. I ain't rushing and then sure ain't pick up my dribble. Ay, I stay on point at all times. Might pass to my nigga. Shoot out a dribble. Ay, niggas are rusty. I ain't caught in the middle. Ay, I be a thief in the night playing the fiddle. I keep the keys, the code of the safe. They never been safer. I know some niggas who owe it to faith, but really ain't never been faithful. I know some villains and fiends, and I got some foes, they keepin' they space though. Who the fuck told this little boy he could pop out the band, start making them waves though? Ay, love when they talk on my back, imagine me giving them that. If I give them half of my plate, they be like, this is platter, but it's just a snack. Working, I work. Business aside from the rap. Niggas make way to the game, get adjusted to fame just to fall off the mat. Ay, niggas are chalk down just to look up. Getting warmer when I cook up. George Foreman couldn't grill the nigga. Work the clock like a chef. Niggas are talk down just to look up. Wasn't ready when I pushed up. Stood steady with my chest up. Yeah, niggas will talk down, look up. Getting warmer when I cook up. George Foreman couldn't grill the nigga. Work the clock like a chef. Niggas will talk down just to look up. Wasn't ready when I pushed